Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we will show you how to optimize your translated Shopify products using the StoreSEO app. First, make sure you have the StoreSEO and Translate and Adapt apps configured on your Shopify store. First, you'll need to configure languages for your store. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen, click the Settings option, and then select Languages. Choose the language you want to translate your store into and close the tab. Next, open the StoreSEO app, go to the Settings section, and select Multilingual SEO. Click the Turn On button to activate this feature, then select the Sync option for your preferred language. Now, head back to the app and select Optimize SEO, choosing the language you'd like your store to be translated into. Once done, you'll now see the translated products in your store. Pick a product you want to optimize. To improve further, first identify a focus keyword. Open the Basic SEO Analysis tab to address any issues, such as meta descriptions and other SEO elements. Once you've completed the optimization, click the Save button to apply your changes. With these simple steps, you can effectively optimize your translated Shopify products using StoreSEO. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.